Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Kola Edokpayi, the human rights activist wey dey for Benin, dey for Upper Mission Road. He say erosion won't drive people comot from their house. He dey call on the Edo State Governor, Godwin Obaseki. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Kola Edokpayi.
Yes, my people for us, I greet you now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location where for the watchers. I want to wish all my fans, my followers, and those ones who they monitor our program, Happy New Year. As you can see today now is the 8th day of January 2022. Presently now, we take our car come Upper Mission Road, back of Action House, up we see that Ogbebo Street. This place linked to Ogbebo Street, linked to Obaze, linked to Ajayi, linked to Ogagbo, and it linked to so many streets. Odu Street, linked to so many streets here for New Benin City. We now remember, make I run through, make I refresh the mind of our people to wait it up away with this place. So this state where it is. So now remember during the time of Adam Saliu Oshimole, Comrade Governor come say, I'll tell you how enter here. Comrade Governor come say he want control erosion for Benin City. He go capital market, get bond of about 30 billion naira. You know, say want to control erosion for Benin City. And in that course, during that period, that time, our amiable governor now, Governor Godwin Obaseki, now be the head of economic and strategic team. That team too, now very important team for government of Adams Aliyu Shimole. That time, now be the engine room of Adams Aliyu Oshimole government. They can't divert all the flood for Benin City from this side. Previously, now this one so now okay now done the past. Okay, previously, now this one now did check out the pass out. Check out the pass out. During that time so now this place, now this one. Now first day yes, this one so this old one, so this old one. The old drainage wait here before. Now the old drainage. Okay. Now the old drainage. Now be this one. Okay. Bros, now this say that you did. Yes, and you come talk to us now. So we do a report to draw the attention of government, make government come to the rescue of people. Now this say that they bomb you. Yes, sir. You know me? I know your face. Thank you. Now this say that they bomb me. My father has been here. Now yeah, I grew. I play for this month well. When they go to primary school. Yes. But because of price, see the way the thing can't be. So my brother, what you need to tell government? You tell us your name.
My name is Blackie.
Blackie. What Blackie?
Yes, sir.
How you did? Happy New Year.
I wish you the same, sir.
God bless you.
I beg we see the beg our government. This month, this area, not be only you. If you say you from here go down, this side. This year is poor people house. Yes. This month, not from here go down, it's poor people house. Yes. But they don't fake cry, meet government, say, I make government help us. Yes. We don't see anybody. Yes. This year now, if you say government say, if you say now what you go day until day that, if you see the way mosquito, even have no problem for enter here, mosquito they bite. You understand me? So then I beg, if you say government, if you can help us arrange the boat back as he failed before, we go like and we told them until you see the way everything chop for that side. You look at if you from here go down, you chop people, both people face cancel and you what to do? We don't know what you want to do. Cry with government, I beg. I want to see help us today. When they call help us, people say they never help us. Now it's not so far with them because this month before, no erosion on the front. This side they follow your road, but now if you water the phone, now no, you know, guy water want to follow you again. I road. Now you can't follow. They are beg with the beg government, make government help us.
Thank you, Blackie. Thank you very much. Now Blackie don't deposit. He say, may government come to our rescue. as I talked before, I talked saying the former governor of Edo State, Governor Adasali Oshomole, now he borrow money that time, say he want to control erosion. Now they call it Benin Water Stop Project. Before that time, now this one, now this drainage, 9 days before, this drainage, 9 days. Come, this drainage 9 days here, this one so, now be the old one where it dey. Would you expect say that time, say government go remove all this old one where it dey? During the military era, that time, now they do this one. I remember I small that time. During the military, until the time of Yenga, now they do something like that. So, would expect say government that time, they will remove all these existing ones, solidify them, make them solid before the feel channel flood come this side. They not do we cry that time. Instead of them to do them, they can't solidify some areas for inside. They do some area, they can't leave the main side what they're supposed to do. You understand? But after some time, when they come start to the fall, now all this place can't be like this. See the way this place be now. Outside the hazard where this state they call, see school, the ME school they here. ME school they here. Go see ME school. People mosquito, the way mosquito they vandalize our people for this area, not be here. Mosquito they vandalize our people where for this area. Like we don't they cry to government. When you come to our rescue, because the way the thing be so, now state project this one. Before you enter a federal government project, you can enter World Bank project. You better pass say they just drum. When the thing start that time, now we start to dey cry. Never reach like this, so that time the place never bad. It never bad reach as it is. So they are here. I don't know what they cover what they take block all these our politicians, all these our government, what they take block their ear. We don't know. Whether they wear the government put earphone, they deaf their ear. People don't they cry for years. See me they can't do this thing. And the worst part of it, during the time of election, they will still come, mass soap boss, they will come see they come vote for them. I was saying 2022 with this, so the election race, the election wahala, the election Igiyaga will start this year. If they come campaign, we'll see what they want to campaign, what they want to talk, what they want to tell the people, how they want to deceive people again. I will see how they want to deceive, the people again. See what the people they suffer for Bongo here. You see the disco, you say that because of that time we dey fit dey jump, but now we no fit jump again. We no fit jump. You see what the erosion don't cause for people. See people houses. Mo go. How that guy take pass and just now. Mo take our camera go.
You sure so good now?
Also, pass. I see Papa here pass. Check out that shit dey ground.
Shit dey.
Not dey. Yeah. You see the way people come dey pass am before. Na leg when we small, na leg we take dey pass here. Yeah, you want Papa. No, we are not sure you not go shoot.
No, the stuff this one.
Yeah.
No paper. No wahala.
We have the magua.
You don't talk. Come na pass
No, if you talk, just give a talk. They will answer. Okay. You see, if your Oma only one, a back a year fancy where talking the other man who come in government you don't wear. It is where the government one on the okay. Yes. You see how? See the area where see here na moto. See my friends papa house that be this one. This one don't almost dey go. Now once rain fall this year now, the thing it don't finish. We don't feel it. Our people with there, all of them go run. As with the rainy season, dry season so, That is why we dey appeal, we dey call, we dey beg the governor, make governor come to our rescue, make dem come do am. See am, see the way the place dey.
I want to put my palm. Yeah. They go.
You will see now you more than 10 years. You see the Aja, you know the thing run again.
Now, pipe, yeah.
Okay.
We don't talk to get to now.
Okay, they check out, don't they check out.
Suffer for you, soon me no match it too.
Don't they talk, Okay, they see am. Don't they check out. Also call the clear road. The clear road. You see am? That place good now. Will people pass there? Not be here for pass.
Yeah. Yeah. For jump here. Then that guy jump now.
Now he jump. Now here pass just now.
Now yeah, see leg now.
No. Pass like this. Okay, they see the moat. You see her? This place strong. You see her?
Okay. Sir, you almost want fall.
My job. Oh! My stuff for you. They see her? They see her now the moat that be this one. So see people houses. Yeah. See her? They carry erosion, they carry flood come this area. They never solidify the whole. There's this thing. Once rain fall now, people they fear. Now let this dry season. Now they feel they say okay, but we still be 12 our eyes closed. See her? You see the way the area be, so here will pass come out.
Pass here, come on.
Yeah? Yeah? Don't check on us. Hey God.
You can't pass here.
Don't use this shit spoon everywhere.
Now round will go pass over. I'll not pass here again.
Okay. Also, come on. I take pass on your here pass. Yeah, come. You see the girl will pass you. You fit. You don't fit. Oh yeah, now come and see the fear. Oh yeah. That clapper, me go jump and leave you.
Jump. You suffer jump.
No, we see the Aja. We are very, very, very happy. Why you suffer you though? Just even see your mom. We see the Aja, yeah? We take our people the round. Check here. See the moat. You see wetin flood. Wetin flood don't do our people for this side. Yeah. Level drive. So now you can park there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so. Hey, come here. Tell me. They see her. Like, yeah. See where this one is so. The engineer. The engineer they give this contract supposed to able day prison, self. You see that they can't put this solid one for drainage where it don't weak. Yeah. For drainage where it don't weak. Now they can't put this solid one. So you know, sir, when they take waste taxpayers' money during the time of Oshomole, so the money they use for this thing now they waste. It waste. Now they do Benin City now don't turn to the heartbeat of flood. They say they want control. That time they think say once rain fall, after they don't do the project finish, once rain fall in less than 2 minutes, the water don't dry finish for road. We no dey see water for road. But now it can't be disaster. It is disastrously disastrous. Now disaster. Now it can't be now. Disaster now it can't be. See ya. Now where flood the pass with this one, because this one it lead to Ikoba River. This place that lead to Ikoba River. Most take our aeroplane, they waka, they go small. You see, huh? You see that contractor, that so-called white man, where they give this contract, he's supposed to be prison for the bad work where he do. Yeah. This one, that's church that year they go. Mount Joy and Power. Now old Pastor Folawewo church, now be this one that year. Oh small. Oh they grow up. Yeah. Just take time. See the bad work we they do. They come put this on top of the existing one. We don't weak. Bros, now this thing that you do, if you don't go, Akkodes, okay. I know Akkodes never do that side that time. Sir. What you need to tell government, tell us for this, what you need to tell government. The
thing on your street now, talk on your road before everybody. Road, yes. It becomes a long journey. Yes. I don't do work whenever we reach 7 years, 8 years, the road just scatter. The gutter scatter, not clear like that so far now. Let us see do a photo that will see where we do work pass.
Yes.
So I beg, when they say post beg or bass, yes. For an time.
What be your name?
My name is Igbo Nogi.
Igbo Nogi, you don't beg Governor Godwin Obaseki say this dry season so.
Yes.
May mobilize Caterpillar, may they can start work this January. So it's school here. This school, Emis. It's on Emis. I remember. It's on Emis. Children, now school now. What school that time? People they who get money that time. Now we go see primary school.
Yes.
We see primary school get money that time. They go this Miss Northern primary school. It don't produce so many great people. Because we not to get money that time.
We not feel go to school.
Na Ajebochi, we na Ajekpako.
Now future we go.
Now future we see primary school now. You dey sell that see the waiting to say I be Kpako, strong Kpako. I jump that place, jump and because we play for the moat well. Now so no shaking. I say no shaking. You dey follow the go after the side. Yeah. Now appeal to the governor to come to our rescue. Yeah. And this happen.
I beg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.